Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide today will help you to get rid of the new ransomware that is called Exlock. So you'll find out why exactly it is called like that and what this ransomware performs with your files after it encrypts them. So before the virus actually attacks the computer, you are able to open your files without any problems. You can open pictures, music, video files, Microsoft Office files, and other data. But this is what happens after the ransomware actually attacks your computer. It starts immediately modifying and encrypting the data that you store on the hard drive of your computer. So after the encryption is successful, it also adds a special extension to your files. And the extension is called Exlock. So after the main extension, for instance, this MP3 music file extension, it adds its own Exlock extension. And obviously, you cannot open this file anymore. Another problem is that simply removing the extension does not fix the issue. The file is still unavailable and you cannot restore it. The ransomware tells you to pay the special ransom to get your files recovered, but in reality, when people pay the ransom, they don't get any guarantee that their files will be restored. So we strongly advise that you do not pay this ransom. We recommend you to immediately undertake the measures to remove this ransomware from your system, and we suggest you to do that with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then start investigating your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect this ransomware and to remove it effectively. Once you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. The trial mode of the program, however, only gives you quick scan, so you have no other option available. The premium version of the software also gives you full system scan and custom scan. After this scan type is selected or you choose the quick scan type in the trial mode, click on Start Scan button. The program, even in the trial mode, will help you to fully analyze your computer, and you will be able to see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scanning. But of course, you can also clearly see that the program might first update its anti-malware database in order to make sure that all the threads are properly detected during the scan. And you should not actually cancel this process because this is crucial for proper malware detection and removal. So after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin the analysis of your computer, and then you will see the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. The scanning may take a while. It depends on how infected your computer is, but pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. You may go to Settings, select Anti-ransomware tab, and you will be able to add the special folder which will be protected against all possible ransomware attacks. However, remember that this particular feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of scanning, the program will give you the summary of all threads that were found during the scan. And you'll be able to know their exact location on your computer, so you may remove each specific thread manually, one thread at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version to remove all such threads automatically.